Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 20 default Brochure templates bundle with different design in PST file, and these files are protected password in video, so kindly leave patch for password. So first I show you the design inside, outside, and you adjust your image here, your title, and your detail. Okay, outside modern design Brochure design 2020, but you can write here 2021. Design 2 are you can adjust here image here, import your detail. Design 3, wow, business templates, contacts, you can write your number, email address, or your home address. Design 4, I know you can do it easily, and change your image, write your any text, title, company name, and last is a wow, about company, the company Brochure, you can write title and your company logo here, your company front photo. Design, you can change any color, any shape, write any text. I chose us. Okay, here is, so I drag this file on Photoshop. Back this file. These are green color, you can change color. Okay, outside drag to Photoshop. You see here in layer area, and you can change everything, text, contact text, shape, image, design, and last is background. Extract background, you see background color, and you can change like this. Okay, and next is design. Extract here, you see, and here you can change shape, color. Okay, okay, here is color, you can apply contents overlay. These files are CMYK color, that's mean printed is ready. So adjust some photo, open photo, like this, drag here. Oh, these are low resolution, but don't worry, I tell you just for example. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Studio logo here, about company, these are simple flare about you. I close this file, open any other file. Hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.